Our main solar system powers our house just fine. The problem is it doesn't reach all of the serviceable areas on our 22-acre homestead. Every time we need to power a tool or the greenhouse or something near the shipping container, we have to break out the extension cord.
But now we have a possible solution.
This is the BLUETTI Elite 300.
3 kilowatt hours of power in just 58 pounds. Light enough so we can pick it up and carry it to wherever we need it.
Full transparency before we go any further. BLUETTI is sponsoring this video, and they shipped us the Elite 300 and a 350 watt panel. BLUETTI.
Always share excellence.
Oh God, get out of here.
So, this is our opinion on the Elite 300.
7 Sigma Off-Grid.
For anybody who hasn't been here before, we are 7 Sigma
Off-Grid.
and we have been building our 22-acre off-grid homestead here in the Southern Sierra Nevada mountains in California. Everything out here we have built ourselves. So when we test a piece of equipment, we are testing it against a long-term off-grid needs.
Not just for the weekend.
The Elite 300, 3 kilowatt hours of capacity at 58 pounds. That's pretty light, which matters a lot when you're hauling it around on a property of our size.
Output is 24 watts continuous with the power lifting mode that you can turn on in the app that spikes up to 4,800 watts for heavy startup loads. On the ports, you've got 5 AC outlets, dual USB-C at 100 and 140 watts, a 12 volt 30 amp DC port, and a TT30 RV outlet. If you're in an RV, van, or park model, plugging in directly is a real convenience.
So while my husband is playing with his new toy,
Shiny.
the BLUETTI, he's talking about the shiny screen.
Look at the shiny screen.
Okay.
It's different than the one we have our old
Okay,
at
we
home.
got a shiny
They
screen.
upgraded the screen.
Okay.
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
2 specs I want to flag for the off-grid crowd. First, the battery is a Life PO4 rated for 6,000 plus cycles. Second, a 10 millisecond UPS switchover. If your main system or the grid blinks, this keeps things running without a reboot. And that's real value for a water pump, the fridge, security cameras, or a microwave.
Voila. 1,800 watts. 1823. See that? Here, drink this.
I'm good.
Tea for you.
The Elite 300 can input up to 1,200 watts of solar, and this single 350 watt panel only fills about a third of that capacity.
Look at that. That's nice.
It folds out. There's
I've
kickstands on the back.
never seen that before. That whole thing is a solar panel? That's interesting. Wow. They really are foldable panels. That's amazing. If you need it charged in a couple of hours, stack more panels to meet that 1,200 watt ceiling. For our use, the one panel will work just fine.
A little late. It's only pulling 10 watts. The workbench is plugged up to the BLUETTI.
Powering all of these.
From the workbench.
Gotcha.
So I'm in here working on stuff. I can just set this down on the bottom shelf, plug up the bench to it, and plug into here.
Nice.
The unit never flinched. Steady output, no dip, no cutoff. For the work that we actually do on our property, that's the performance that we need. See if we can hang with our water pump for our tiny home / RV. And look at there. Pump is
Just wanted to
running.
turn the water on to see if we had pressure from our BLUETTI, and the pump is working.
If that stuff goes out and it's 200 degrees up here, will we burn up? I don't know. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, go.
There you go. So this will start going up. Compressor is on. You feel that cool air.
Yep.
So next time we have a blackout, we're pulling the room off with this.
Are we gonna run a whole kitchen or an AC unit all day? No.
Right size your loads to 3 kilowatt hours and this thing carries its own weight.
Okay, our BLUETTI is not only charging the cell phone, it's also charging our iPad, and it is also charging a laptop all at the same time.
Running DC and AC at the same time.
AC, DC.
And we just threw in some drone batteries. We have a laboratory.
So here's our honest assessment. The Elite 300 solves a huge problem for us. It's the first station that we've owned that's light enough that we can carry it anywhere on the property wherever we're working.
Power.
Add in the 350 watt panel, and it becomes its own little standalone system with room to grow.
The RV ports crack open a whole second use case for anyone in a trailer or park model. The 6,000 plus cycle LifePo 4 battery is the same chemistry that we trust in our main build.
Okay, so here's where it has its limits. This is not a whole home replacement system. 3 kilowatt hours is a supplement for a real off-grid system. Our EG4 setup is still going and doing all the heavy lifting around here, and it always will.
Let's see what else this thing can handle. Heat gun. Ooh, look how much that's pulling.
Ooh, wow.
Watch this stuff.
Think of the Elite 300 as the unit that goes
where the big system can't.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Keep going.
Oh. One 350 watt panel is a slow, steady charge. It'll keep the unit fed.
But if you plan to cycle it hard, budget for more solar panels.
All right, so here's the verdict. Did the Elite 300 actually solve the issue of transporting on the land? For us, yes. It's not replacing our main system.
No.
With this unit, we can basically grab it and carry it to wherever that we're working on the land. So far, for us, it's already earned a permanent spot on our property.
Sure did.
The combination that won us over is the 3 kilowatt hours in a body that we can lift. It's a dependable power that we can use anywhere on our land. So if you want to run one of these yourself, the link and the discount code are down in the description box below. Using these codes will throw a little support our way and help back up our channels with no cost to you. And if you're trying to figure out where something like this fits into your own setup, ask us in the comments and we will read them. So we just want to say thank you for watching, and if you like our shenanigans, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share the video. Also, join our Discord group. We have a lot of great information in that group, and also we have tons of videos starting on Saturday mornings
at 7 a.m.
PST time. And again, if you like our shenanigans, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for joining us. We will see you next time. Bye.
Stay for the bloopers.
Okay, cool.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
And action.
If you want to run, stop laughing. First, the battery is LifePo.
LifePo.
Stop it.
Booger off your shirt.
I don't. It's not a booger. It's makeup. Okay. Anyway.
Makeup booger.
You gotta look at the camera. Okay.
Which side? LifePo.
2 specs that I want to flag for the off-grid. Okay, can you stop laughing so I can get
Only for the OG set. Off-grid.
You know.
Off-grid.
Okay, wait. Okay, cool. You ready? Mm-hmm. So if you want to run one of these yourself, the product link in our
the product link and discount code are down in the product link and discount code are down in the too many D's for me.
Okay, go.
If you want one of these damn things, it's down there in the discount.
Just go and click the button.
Yeah, just go and get one.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.